Welcome to Operation Research class. Today we are going to learn about the how to solve assignment problem with the help of Hungarian method to minimize the cost. Okay, so in assignment problem normally we have to assign the jobs to the based resources or the based resources to minimize the cost. So this is the minimization problem and we are solving with the help of Hungarian method. So whenever you want to solve the assignment problem with the help of Hungarian method and it is a minimization, then you must try to remember the following steps. First, you have to check whether the given sum is balanced or not. So how to check whether it is balanced or not? So you have to first count the how many rows are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are there. Okay, rows are 3. Okay, and how many columns are there? 1, 2, and 3. Right? So 3 columns. Okay, so number of rows equal to number of column, then it means it is a balance problem. Okay, so this is first step. Then we will go for the second step. Second step is called as a row minimization. Okay, so how to do the row minimization? Now you have to go row by row. We will select the first row, right? So first we'll write down this 1, 2, and 3. The column headings. Right? Now we have to perform the row minimization. We are going to select the first row. So in first row there are 3 values 120, 100 and 80. So out of that which one is the lowest value? So 80. So whichever lowest value is there you have to subtract from all the values. Okay. So 120 minus 80, 40. 100 minus 80, 20. 80 minus 80, 0. So same thing we have to apply for the second row. So second row values are 80, 80 and 110. Okay, so lowest is 80, so 80 minus 80 is 0, 80 minus 80 is 0, 110 minus 80 is 30. Again we will come back to the third row. So in third row lowest value is 110, so 110 minus 110 is 0, 140 minus 10 30, 120 minus 10 10. Right? So this is our second step, row minimization. Then we'll go for third step, column minimization. Okay, so how to do that? A, B, and C, 1, 2, and 3. Right? So how to do the column minimization? Now we start looking from column point of view. So first column 40, 0, 0. So lowest value is a 0. So we have to subtract all the values from that lowest value. So 40 minus 0, 40, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Then again in second row, 0 is the smallest, so 20 minus 0, 20, 0 minus 0, 0, 30 minus 0, 30. Then again here 0, so 0, 30, 30 minus 0, 30, 10 minus 0, 10. So always remember in column, when we are doing a column minimization operation, at that time in column, if any single 0 is there is no need of doing any calculation. You can write down as it is column. See, in this there is a 0, so same column. Again here 0, so same column, same column. Always remember. Okay. Now the next step is to draw the line. Draw the line. Okay. Now what is the need of draw the line? If number of rows equal to number of columns equal to number of lines, then our solution is optimum. Okay, then our solution is optimum. So we'll check, we'll draw the lines. We first will write down as it is. Forty, 20, 0, 0, 0, 30, 0, 30, 10, right? Now how to draw the line? First, check in first column how many zeros are there? 2. Second column 1. Third column 1. First row 1 0. Second row 2 0. Third row 1 0. So maximum 0 in which row or column is there? That we have to see. So second row is having 2 0 and first column is having 2 0. So out of that you can select any one. Okay. So we will go for the first column. So we draw the first line. Now again we have to check whether how many zeros are there. So in second column 1 0 is there. Third column 1 0 is there. First row 1 0 is there. Second row 1 0 is there. So you can draw any way. We have to cut the zeros. Right? So how many lines are there? 1, 2 and 3. So number of rows are 3, number of columns are 3, number of lines are 3. It means it is a optimum solution. Okay. So now the main thing or main how to draw the line is that whenever you are drawing the line, you have to see with a minimum number of lines how you are able to cancel or how are able to cover the maximum number of zero. So main objective is that with the help of minimum number of lines you have to cancel or you have to cover the maximum number of zeros. So maximum number of zero with a minimum number of lines. Okay. Now once you're done with this, the next step is we can say that allocation. Okay, so again A, B, C, one, two, three. Okay, so the numbers are 40, 20, 0, 0, 0, 30, 0, 30 and 10. Now we have to allocate. So whenever you are going to do the allocation at that time, now only think about the rows, only rows. So first you have to find out in which row single zero is there. So in first row obviously there is a 1 0, in second row 2 0, third row 1 0. So there are two rows available in which there is a single zero. Now it's up to you, whichever you want to allocate first you can. So maybe I'll start with the first. So I'll start with this. So whenever you allocate the zero, now you have to see in that row or column is there any other zero is there. If it is there, you have to cancel that. So in row there is a no zero, but in column there is a zero, so we'll cancel this. Is it okay? Now again you have to check there is a single zero. Yes, there is a single zero. So there is a no zero in column and row, so no need of cancellation. Again the last one, single zero, there is a no zero in row and column, so there is a no need of cancellation. So always remember, whenever you complete the allocation, in each row there must be a one single allocation. There must be a one single allocation. Is it okay? So once you allocate that, now how to write down the final answer? So you have to write down first job goes to the C, second job goes to the B, and third job goes to the A. Now you have to check the value in a original table. So first job goes to the C, so the value is 80. Second job goes to the B, so again value is 80, and third job goes to the A, so that is 110. So you have to do the total 80 plus 80, 160, 170, 270. So this is our final answer. So this is our minimum cost. This is our minimum allocation cost. So this is the very simple way to solve the assignment problem, minimization assignment problem with the help of Hungarian method. Thank you for watching my video. If any comments, any suggestions, please mention in a below comment. Thank you.